Hello and welcome to WebQuest. WebQuest is a very valuable tool that integrates technology into the classroom. A WebQuest can be used to search for lesson plans that educators have already posted, or it can be a place where you can post a lesson that you've done with your class. Here is an example of a WebQuest, and this is geared towards grade level 3 through 5. And it's titled The Iditarod and Building a Budget to Get There. As you go through the different icons on the left, you can see that there's an introduction page. And the introduction page will tell more about the actual lesson that you're doing. This one, the students are going to plan a trip, and they're also going to set a budget for that trip. So as you scroll down, you can see how there's different things along the introduction to tell exactly what the students are going to do. If I go back over to the left-hand side, there's also a task button. And in the task, it goes into more in-depth on what the students are going to learn. So they're going to use the internet, they're going to use Google to search things, and they're also going to create a budget in Microsoft Excel. We also have a process page, and the process is actually a step-by-step tutorial on how to do what's needed to be done for this lesson. So the first part of the lesson is how they're going to actually research what the Iditarod is in Alaska, and then it's also going to go into actually creating the budget. So they can go into Excel and create their budget, and it shows a save icon to make sure and remind them that they're saving their documents. And then it goes into a step-by-step directions on how to create their actual Excel spreadsheet. So if we go ahead and go back up, then there's an evaluation page. The evaluation page is actually what shows the students the rubric or how they're going to be graded. The conclusion summarizes the lesson, and it tells them what they've learned, or it tells an educator what their students are going to learn. And then last but not least is a teacher page. This teacher page is actually something that encompasses everything that they've done on this lesson. So if you look at this one example here, it shows that they're going to research the Iditarod and build a budget to get there. And it also links back to a lot of the different pages. So again, it shows the introduction, what type of learners, the curriculum standards, the process, your resources that are needed, the evaluation with the rubric again, the conclusion, and, very important, any credits and references that are used to create your WebQuest. Again, this is just an example of one that was created for my students, but you can go ahead into WebQuest and search for any other lessons that you might want to teach your students. The great thing about WebQuest also is that it's a very collaborative site. So you are able to collaborate with either teachers in your school or teachers across the country or even globally. I hope you have a better understanding of WebQuest, and have a good day.